Hey guys, welcome back to our family channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a Mexicrate. Are you just asking what it's name is?
Yeah. What's a Mexicrate?
Well, it's a foreign snack subscription, and it's instead of like Snack Crate and Munch Pack, it's from the same country every month, and it's always from Mexico. So this one is the like smallest pack that you could get, and it's the candy one. They also have a like baked goods that they can send you. So, and this one was like I think $5.99 a month. So, and then you pay shipping.
It's in California too.
Got any food? Got any food?
This is Andre. Where you from, Andre?
Kansas.
Yeah, we got some food. We got some Mexican candy if you want some.
Yeah, I'll have some.
Okay, so this is my stepson. It's Wes's oldest son, and he came down from Kansas. So yeah, we got him for a couple of days.
Okay, let's go feed this guy.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, so it says Ola from Mexicrate. At Mexicrate, every box is different. Find us on Facebook and Instagram. And every month they will pick a $25, or they will pick a winner to win a $25 gift card. And it says you can post a picture on Instagram and hashtag Mexicrate, so we'll do that. And it says thank you. And they also give out gold tickets, and that gives you free 6-month membership. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of candy, actually.
Yeah.
It's like trick-or-treating in Mexico. Okay, which is do we start with? Is it one of everything?
Yeah.
Here, try that one first.
Really, they weren't lying. It's candy. Usually we get like these foreign snack subscriptions, and they're like chips and
Not a good fan of
sweet and sour chili.
well, there's a lot in here.
I'm not a good fan of chili, but let's go.
So this says lollipop and hot candy powder. What do you guys got?
Darn it. Pretend it's Mexico. Knock the dirt off of it.
Yeah.
Chipoleta, made in Mexico.
Chipolea.
So I guess it's like a sucker, and there's chili powder or some kind of hot powder, spicy powder that you dip it in. Yes.
I don't know how to describe this
We
flavor.
got another one. Hey, Vinny. Where are you coming from? You like some candy? Yeah? What's your name? Where are you from? He said I'm drifted.
It's not hot. It's not even hot.
Yeah, it's not really spicy.
Really?
Yeah, there's another one, yeah.
It's supposed to be spicy.
Okay, so it looks like there's 3 of those, 3 of these. This is a sweet and sour with chili chewy pop.
This worked good like if you're taking shots of tequila.
Good stuff.
You got dip?
Ah. It's hot. It's hot.
Let's go before more people come.
Yeah.
It's like a starburst.
Oh, damn.
Did you breathe it in?
Okay, that's enough.
It's actually really good.
We're gonna eat this all day. Wait a minute.
Let's say
How
that
does
one.
this taste? Look, I'm dipping this.
It's Lucas
What's
salsa jetty.
Salsa jetty, like spaghetti, but salsa jetty.
It tastes way better. Try
Yeah?
it.
No, I'm good. I want some spaghetti.
Try it.
Oh, I already did. Yeah.
It even comes with a little sauce pack. Look.
What?
No, I don't want sauce.
What kind of candy is that? That's so cool.
No, put it on. We gotta let them.
Oh.
Watch. They'll put the sauce in there first.
Mm.
Oh. We're all over the truck. It don't matter.
Yeah. Banana.
Wow.
So was it just like a spaghetti?
Mm.
Or is it candy? Oh, mango flavor.
Wow. That's good.
Sour.
Ah, it's hot. Like a little hot. Bunkenden, broccoli.
Hey.
Yeah, it kind of got like a kick to it. Like,
Like bunkenden.
oh, kind of nasty. I don't know.
Mm. It's
Kind
a
of good and
nasty.
nasty at the same time.
It's a nasty good.
It's like
Bunkenden.
Plastic. Plastic spaghetti with like sour, spicy mango sauce.
Where's the bunkenden? Bunkenden.
Chocolate. Where is it?
Bunkenden. Wow.
It's like a wafer.
Wait a
Exactly
minute.
like a wafer.
Come here.
Chocolate wafer.
Let's try. Hopefully it's not anything. Ants or anything.
Is that what I'm
Amigos?
saying?
Flamingos.
I don't know.
Flamingos.
Amigos?
Jack.
He tripped over Jack. Jack's just like playing in the sand and digging around. There's 3 of them. Yeah. Or I can just open it.
Yeah. Do one at a time. Yeah.
Mmm.
Where are those? Peanuts?
Caramel.
Wow.
Something caramel. It's not really much English on it, but it says caramelos, which I'm just guessing means caramel. And then watermelon flavor. What? I don't know. Caramel and watermelon?
They all got this same flavor.
It tastes like soap.
Like it's lime and salt.
Mmm.
I thought it would be gooey, but it's like. It's like sour.
This is good.
It tastes like soap with lime, like you said, and lemon, watermelon, paper.
Paper.
It tastes horrible.
It's like lime and pineapple. Like,
Do you
not
like it or
pineapple.
something, Under?
Yeah.
Okay, we can have it. You can have the other 2 bags too.
Take those back with you.
Mmm. Mmm.
This one looks. That was. Anybody else want some of these?
So I took some out of here.
5 or 4 chili layers. This is
We're not
only
gonna
one.
survive out here. When I'm around.
Right there, Minnie?
Hey, I thought I'm gonna do it.
What? Do what?
Come on, babe.
Okay.
This is
That's not food. We're starving.
Jagos de Sabo. Whatever that means.
Jungle.
It's like bait.
I'm eating. I'm just
It
trying.
looks like little micro cheese puffs. It's actually pretty good. It's not too sour. Those are okay.
Oh yeah.
I'm
You
eating
touched
everything.
it.
Sorry.
My stuff right here.
Alright, the next thing I see is pulparindo. Pulparindo. Sadia. Watermelon flavor with real fruits. Hot and salted tamarind pulp candy.
Mayday.
Where's Winnie at?
Oh well.
Okay.
Put a candy on regular
It looks like
food.
a Laffy Taffy / fruit roll up.
What's your food?
Ground
Okay.
Oh.
This one?
Yeah, no.
Cheers.
You farted.
Hey, stop
That
farting.
wasn't me that farted.
That was whoever he is.
Oh my god. It's like sour.
It could pop after a
Everything
while.
is sour. It's like burning my nostrils.
Yeah,
What am
you.
I eating? Like detergent or something? Like I don't know. Like
Tastes like Tide.
I don't know. We're not usually so picky, but I don't know.
Oh, there's another candy?
Well, you gotta have something to chase it with tequila. You know what I mean? So,
Hey, sweet sour chill.
It's so sour.
I'm gonna eat this. My stuff.
What is this pink one?
hey, another one.
Let's look for each other, right?
Yeah.
Tasting better than that one. Ooh, this is like the same thing as these, I guess, but just like strawberry flavor. So I don't really think anything was really that spicy. I mean, there was spice in it. It might be to somebody else, maybe that doesn't eat spicy food, but it really
For me,
wasn't
a
that
little
spicy
bit.
to us. I mean, they were kind of,
Yeah.
but I'm really surprised that everything was so sour.
Yeah. No, I mean not, because I'm a kid.
I remember when I went to Mexico back when I was like 13 years old, I tried, or one of the kids, they gave me like this sucker, like it looks like a lollipop, but it was like pretty spicy, like, so I kind of like expected things to be spicier, but maybe now that I'm like living in New Mexico, I'm used to it, I don't know, but it was really sour. It was like, I mean, it does have some kind of spice, but, oh. What's this?
Don't open it.
Maybe one more thing.
I know, but it's a one person thing.
Okay, so, ooh, okay. It kind of looks like it has 4 chili layers: Capa Stay chili, a butter Raider rock, gum in the middle. So I guess it's like a spicy lollipop,
Break it to 4 pieces.
kind of like a. There's one candies that have like layers and stuff, but it's spicy.
The jawbreaker from hell.
So open it, look at it.
Let's look up.
Huh? It's not like any of us have rabies. Give it to each other.
I got rabies.
I believe it. Oh.
Damn.
Yeah, so I should just give the rest to Andre.
Actually, no, wherever. I have an idea.
Wow. See, that's what it looked like. Kind of like that, like what I had in Mexico.
Where's it even open?
Minnie.
It's not spicy, but it tastes more like savory versus like sweet. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's actually. I
Had a
like
lot
this
in
stuff
it.
better though. It's like you're eating spaghetti.
Yeah.
The only thing I would change is I wish we got like some chips to try, like some salty stuff instead of just candy. Maybe we'll try the fresh baked goods that they send out. Try that box, or see if any of the other boxes have like chips in it. Cause that would be, I don't know, I like chips. But yeah, I give it like a thumbs up. I think it's pretty fun. I wish they would have given like a card to like tell us about Mexico. I just like how Snackcrate does that. That's our favorite foreign snack box. It just they give you all this info about the country and
This stuff is good stuff.
Yeah,
Wow. Do this.
I like that.
Do this. Do this with this. Makes it taste way better.
Really. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell on the right. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
That stuff is nasty.
I have one in my pocket. Why?
I hate how this thing zooms in.
Yeah.
I notice mine does that now.
I don't know why that happens. There's gotta be some kind of setting or something that, you know what I mean?
Microphone check.
Okay. Hey, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Hey. Turn the flash off.